When someone says they're building an electric car, you expect it to be sensible, efficient, responsible, maybe even a little boring. And then VinFast showed up. This is the VinFast VF7, and on paper, it sounds like a perfectly normal electric SUV.
A 70 kWh battery pack.
Level 2 ADAS, up to 532 kilometers of range. Big screen, a lot of tech, all very sensible. And then you notice the fine print in the brochure. 353 horsepower. Which is not sensible at all. Because the moment you press the accelerator, all that calm, composed SUV behavior disappears. 0 to 100 comes in just under 6 seconds, which means you can teleport from where you are to where you want to be. The funny thing is though, this still behaves like an SUV. It's calm, it's comfortable, it's quiet, it's got convenience features like auto lane change assist, adaptive cruise control. It's the kind of car you could daily, though secretly knowing that you have 353 horses waiting right under your foot. And because this still is an SUV, space is not discounted for. Knee room, leg room, headroom, it's all room for adults. Not the kind where you'd be sitting like this. Electric SUVs were supposed to be practical, responsible, sensible. The VinFast VF7 is all of that, but it also has 353 horsepower, which means whoever designed it clearly thought practical is good, but fast is even better. And honestly, we're not arguing with that.